Hello guys! Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, at comment na rin kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video. Today, pag-uusapan natin yung importance of research across fields, particularly dun sa ABM, for accountancy, business, and management strand. So let's start. Accountancy, business, and management. Accounting research serves as foundation of an accountant's work to support their clients' financial plans by studying their current financial situation and suggesting ways to enhance their financial position. Business research can relate to economics, business strategy, and ethics. In fact, anything associated with modern business and trade. Research in management aids in the knowledge of customer desires and the reduction of risk and losses. What is the importance of research in business management? Testing of new products, guaranteeing adequate distribution, required for professional and self-development of workers through training and mentoring. Undertaking research can help a company avoid future failure. Business research topics for college students. Business differences in cities and provinces. Impact of startups on local economies. Management approaches in different places. Business risk calculation. Family-owned companies. Business of young entrepreneur. Now, let's proceed to sample qualitative research and quantitative research. Money-Making on the Road, The Daily Adventures of Young Street Vendors by Alarcon et al., 2018. Quantitative research. This is descriptive correlational research. Corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty to selected coffee shops in Makati City. Forbes 2018. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna study the importance of research across fields, particularly in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strands, or STEM. So let's start. First, scientific research. Basic scientific research is concerned with the discovery of new phenomena and their integration into understandable conceptual representations of primary materials or physiological operations. Through interpretation, a fascinating focus of interest tends to exist at the limit of contemporary knowledge. Most scientific knowledge will encounter into an extremely unsteady and irregular manner technical applications of financial and cultural value, but in most circumstances, the essence of these relationships will not be obvious to those undertaking independent scientific research. Engineering research. Engineering research involves the exploration and methodological conceptual structuring of knowledge. Engineers develop, design, produce, or construct and use devices, structures, machines, and systems of economic and societal value. Virtually all engineering research is driven by the expected value of an application. Next, research in mathematics. Education has primarily two purposes. First, to better understand the nature of mathematical thinking, teaching, and learning. And second, to use such knowledge in practice for learning and teaching mathematics. Moreover, mathematics education as a research domain comprises also other educational sciences and disciplines such as sociology, psychology, anthropology, linguistics, philosophy, and more recently, also neuroscience. We have the sample titles here, credit to the channel of Dr. Ibra. A correlational study in knowledge on diet and lifestyle among patients with chronic disease and how it affects disease progress. It could be correlational descriptive. Effectiveness of shampoo. You can change the product. It depends on the products that you are using in experimental. Impact of space exploration on climate change. Experimental or descriptive. A relationship between social media addiction, and depression among teenagers. Correlational descriptive. Can pancreatic gland transplant cure diabetes? Basic research. Study to determine the effectiveness of vitamin D among old people for COVID-19 prevention. Experimental, quasi-experimental, or descriptive. Sources. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna study the importance of research across fields. For humanities, social sciences, or HUMSS, strand. The fields in humanities discipline generally include the visual and performing arts, philosophy, literature, religion, history, languages, arts, or arts history, and classic. Although research methods differ from the humanities, the social sciences, and the sciences, any research project in any discipline starts with curiosity and a hypothesis. Often research topics are interdisciplinary and may include multiple subject areas and methods from more than just one discipline. Research in humanities and social sciences has impact, but defining, measuring, and comparing these impacts is an enormous challenge. It contributes to a free and democratic society, public policy, quality of life, social cohesion, business innovation, the environment, creativity, commercial and economic activity, administrative and institutional development. Studying this impact leads to a better apprehension of the role of the humanities and social sciences in enriching society. Sample titles credit to Dr. Ibra, some are modified already. The causes of child labor and how to mitigate against such practices. Basic research or qualitative research experiences. Educational challenges on children in rural areas and ways to prefer help. Basic research or qualitative research experiences. Descriptive study on psychological impact of divorce on a child. Descriptive. A relationship between social media addiction and depression among teenagers. Correlational descriptive study. The effect of gambling in Philippine economy. It could be descriptive. Study to determine which group of students perform better in terms of online learning versus physical learning. Experimental research, quasi-experimental, or descriptive. Courses aligned for humanities and social sciences. Today, pag-uusapan natin yung importance of research across fields. Let's proceed to importance of research across fields in different areas, fields, and professions. Quantitative research across fields. Quantitative research and anthropology. Many discoveries in these fields like human behavior in the society, racial conflicts, and human evolution have given enormous contributions to the improvement of human life. Quantitative research and communication. Researchers are often interested in how an understanding of particular communication phenomena might be generalized to a larger population. Example, what communication behaviors are used to respond to co-workers displaying emotional stress? Quantitative research and medicine. This tends to be predominantly observational research based on surveys or correlational study. Example, experimental research designs may enhance the quality of medical education. We can add that health science includes medical technology, dentistry, nursing, medicine, etc. Use quantitative research designs like descriptive, pre-experimental, quasi-experimental, through experimental, case study, and among others. Quantitative research and behavioral science. The output of this research focuses on how human behavior relates with another people and also the individual differences that may affect human relations. Quantitative research and educational and psychology. Many educational principles in understanding human behavior are the offshoot of this research. Quantitative research and social science. The method employed in this type of quantitative social research are mostly typical and the survey and the experiment. Example, the study of DSWD regarding porpoise. So that's all. I hope that you learned something on this topic. Thank you very much.